you are all by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Now I am taking class 6, subject English, past paper, date 11, 10, 12, 20, 2020. Wonders of the World One. After completing the lesson, students will be able to know more about read and understand text, make questions, write vocabulary, completing tables. Now we see what this. Look at the picture. What are they called? Pyramids, Taj Mahal, the Taj or Eiffel Tower. Number B. Now listen for the CD audio and fill in the gaps of the following text. You try at your home. I am giving some example. The pyramids are huge. The pyramids are huge graveyards for the ancient kings and queens of Egypt. পিরামিড হলো মিশরের রাজা রানীদের সমাধিস্থল. These kings and queens are known as the Egyptian, known as the pharaoh. It needed a few thousands of workers to build the pyramids. The most famous Egyptian pyramids are the Giza pyramids. Giza is a place near Cairo, the capital of Egypt. The pyramids of Khupur at Giza is the largest Egyptian pyramid. It is the only one of the wonders of still in existence. You try this. Now you see. I am writing some vocabs. Vocabulary. You follow. Number 1, architecture. Main word. W-word. Synonym. S-Y-N-O-N-Y-M. Synonym. Author. Synonym. Architecture. Craftsman. C-R-A-F-T-S. Craftsman. Artisan. Craftsman. Karshilpi. Karo Shilpi. Artisan. A-R-T-I-S-N. Artisan. Craftsman. Monument. Memorial. M-O-N-U-M-E-N-T. Monument. City Stambo. City Stambo. City Stambo or City Shod. Memorial. M-E-M-O-R-I-N. Memorial. Emperor. Monarch. Emperor. EMPEROR, emperor, সম্রাট, emperor, সম্রাট, king, king or MONARCH, monarch. Universally চিরন্তনভাবে you see incredible, 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 অবিশ্বাস্য, unbelievable, unbelievable, unbelievable. You see main words synonym: craftsman, কারুশিল্পী, artisan, monument, স্মৃতিস্তম্ভ, memorial, emperor, সম্রাট, king, monarch, incredible, অবিশ্বাস্য, unbelievable. Okay, now open your page on lesson 12, page number 68, model question. A model reading. See, read the following text. The Taj Mahal is also known as the Taj. The Taj Mahal is also known as the Taj. Taj Mahal, Taj নামে পরিচিত. It is white marble tomb located in Agra in India. ইহা সাদা মার্বেল পাথর দ্বারা তৈরি খচিত আগ্রা, ভারতের আগ্রায় অবস্থিত. Do you know the story behind the Taj Mahal? তোমরা কি তাজমহলের পিছনের ইতিহাস জানো, গল্প জানো? The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan loved his wife Mumtaz more than his life. মোগল সম্রাট শাহজাহান তার স্ত্রীকে তার জীবনের চেয়ে বেশি ভালোবাসতেন. মমতাজ died at an early age. মমতাজ অল্প বয়সে মারা গেলেন, কম বয়সে মারা গেলেন. গিয়েছিলেন. শাহজাহান was very shocked at her death. তাহার মৃত্যুতে আর মমতাজের মৃত্যুতে শাহজাহান খুবই শোকাহত হয়েছিলেন. So he built the Taj Mahal as a token of love for his wife. তাই তিনি তাজমহল নির্মাণ করেছিলেন ভালোবাসার চিহ্নস্বরূপ, তার স্ত্রীর প্রতি ভালোবাসার চিহ্নস্বরূপ. It is the place where Mumtaz is sleeping forever. It is the place, ইহা এমন একটি স্থান যেখানে মমতাজ চিরনিদ্রায় শায়িত আছে. যথায় মমতাজ চিরনিদ্রা শায়িত. The Taj has an area of about 1003 acres or 405 hectares. তাজমহলের আয়তন 1003 একর 405 হেক্টর. The Taj Mahal is the finest example of Mughal architecture. মোগল স্থাপত্য শিল্পের এটা সুন্দরতম উদাহরণ হলো তাজমহল. It combines the art of Persia, Turkey and India. ইহা পারস্য, তুর্কি এবং ভারতের কারুকার্যের সমন্বয়ে গঠিত. It took 21 years and thousands of artisans and craftsmen ইহা নির্মাণ হইতে 21 বছর লেগেছিল এবং হাজার হাজার শিল্পী কারুশিল্পী টু কমপ্লিট দ্য তাজমহল এই তাজমহল করতে কাজ করেছিলেন। The Taj is universally admitted as one of the wonders of the world. এই তাজমহল সারা বিশ্বের চিরন্তনভাবে প্রশংসনীয়। এখনো সারা বিশ্বের তাজমহল আশ্চর্যের মধ্যে এখনো কি চিরন্তনভাবে প্রশংসনীয়। Now you see the Taj Mahal is known as the Taj. Emperor Shah Jahan loved his wife more than his life. Once his wife Mumtaz died in 1631. So Shah Jahan was very shocked. Shah Jahan was very shocked and he built a Taj Mahal for the token of love his wife Mumtaz. Every year or every day people go to see this scenery. It is made with white marble tomb. It is the wonders of the world. So we should respect Shah Jahan and Mumtaz. Now you see, my dear students, what now you make questions using cues or clue given below. What is the Taj Mahal? What is the Taj Mahal? What is the Taj Mahal? Okay, make question. Number 1. What is the Taj Mahal? M-A-H-A-L, Mahal. What is the Taj Mahal? Where is it located? Where is it located? You answer this. Answer the Taj Mahal. Taj M-A-H-A-L, Mahal is known as the Taj. The Taj. The Taj. It is made with white marble. It is made with white marble. M-A-R-B-L, marble. It is made with white marble. It is white marble tomb. It is made with white marble tomb. T-O-M-B. It is made with white marble tomb. Where is it located? Number 2. Where is it located? Is it located? KED, located. And down, where is it? Where is it? Located. 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 Where is it? Located. Answer. It is located. It is located at Agra. Agra in India. India. It is located at Agra in India. Where is it located? How much does Shah Jahan love? How much does Shah Jahan love Mumtaz? How did Shah Jahan? Okay. Number 3. How much? M-U-C-H, much does Shah Jahan love Mumtaz? Or how much did Shah Jahan love Mumtaz? Shah Jahan love. Answer. Shah Jahan, H-A-J-A-H-N, Shah Jahan love, L-O-V-E, love, Mumtaz, M-U-M-T-A-Z, Mumtaz, more than his life. More than his life. Shah Jahan loved Mumtaz more than his life. Who is Mumtaz? Who is Mumtaz? Who is Mumtaz? M-U-M-T-A-Z. Answer. Mumtaz. M-U-M-T-A-Z. Mumtaz was is Shah Jahan. H-A-J-A-H-A-N, Shah Jahan's wife. W-I-F. Wife. Mumtaz is Shah Jahan's wife. When did Mumtaz died? When did Mumtaz died? When did Mumtaz, M-U-M-T-A-Z, Mumtaz died? Answer. Mumtaz, M-U-M-T-A-Z, Mumtaz died. Mumtaz died died and early age India early age in 1631. In 1631. Okay, now my students, you follow. Who is Mumtaz? Mumtaz is Shah Jahan's wife. When did Mumtaz die? Mumtaz died at an early age in 1631. You make questions, answering questions here only get to make questions, but I also given here answer with answers. Make questions and with answers. Now you follow. See, complete the following table with the information given in the passage. Passage, you see number 3 to complete the following table. Okay. Now I am complete. Now I am writing this. You see, now I am writing this. You follow at home to do well in the exam or to do well in future. You must read text, making questions, answering questions, completing following table. Number 1, Shah Jahan, S-H-A-J-A-H-N, Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan built. Shah Jahan built, B-U-I-L-T, built. Shah Jahan built. Now you see, Shah Jahan built. Shah Jahan built dash. Taj Mahal. C2. Taj Mahal. T-A-J-M-A-H-A-L. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. Complete the table. Complete table. C-O-M-P-L-E-T. Complete. Here it is the following. Therefore, F-O-W-O-W-I-N, following. Complete the following table. T-A-B-L table. Complete the following table. Taj Mahal. Okay, Taj Mahal is its area. Its area, area is. Its area is. Mumtaz died. Mumtaz, M-U-M-T-A-Z, Mumtaz. F-U-M M-U-M-T-A-Z, Mumtaz died. D-I-E-D, died. Mumtaz died. Mumtaz died. They complete the task. To complete the task. To complete. C-O-M-P-L-E-T. Complete the task. To complete the task. The task. The task. It took. Okay, you see this table. Now my student, you see this is table. Now my students, you see, this is a table. You complete this. Number one, Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. Now you can complete chapters. Shah Jahan built B-U-I-L-T built the Taj Mahal. B-A-J-M-A-H and Taj Mahal. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is also known as the Taj. Taj Mahal is located in Agra. Located in Agra. A-G-R-A. Taj Mahal is located in Agra. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. Its area is 1,003 acres. A-C-R-E-S acres and 405 hectares. 405 hectares. H-E-C-T-O-R-S hectares or 405 hectares. 405 hectares. 405 hectares about Agra in India. I-N-D-I-A, India. Agra in India. Mumtaz died in 1600. Mumtaz died in 1631. At an early age. To complete the task, it took 21 years. Y-E-A-R-S years. 21 years. And thousands artisan and craftsmen and thousand and P-H-O-U-S-N thousand artisan A-R-T-I-S-N artisan and craftsmen C-R-A-F-T-S craftsmen and okay, my dear students, you write this number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. You see Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. You see the table. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is located in Agra. Located at Agra in India. At Agra in India. Its area is 1,003 acres or 405 hectares. Mumtaz died in 1631 or at an early age. To complete the Taj Mahal, it took 21 years and thousands of artisans and craftsmen, and it needed 1,000 artisan and craftsmen. It needed 1,000 artisan and needed and doubly needed 1,000 artisan and craftsmen. Okay, my dear students, you write this next. You follow this test, complete, write some vocab with this Bangla meaning and synonym. Then write, read the test, write some questions, try to answer the questions, write or complete tables. Now I will give you homework. Write a paragraph. Homework. Homework. You see. Write a paragraph. Write W-R-I-T. Write a paragraph. P-A-R-A-G-R-A-P-H. Paragraph about. Write a paragraph about A-B-O-U-T. About the Taj Mahal. About the Taj Mahal. T-A-J-M-A-H-A-N. Taj Mahal. About the Taj Mahal. You follow these instructions. Now I will give you a slogan. Give up bad companions. Don't touch drugs. Drugs damage our health. It causes death. So thank you very much.